Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, brown color, teal color, violet color, yellow color, dark blue color, red color, orange color, pink color, black color, brown color, green color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. A for avocado. B for bus. B for books. C for cow. C for cat. Number 1. O-N-E, 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. T-H-R-E, 3. A for avocado. B for bus. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.